Music simply comes to life with the MA9500 integrated amplifier and its 300 watts per channel of clean, effortless power. That power is delivered via a pair of the famed McIntosh autoformer whose unique design guarantees your speakers will always receive the full 300 watts regardless if they have 2, 4 or 8 ohm impedance. The MA9500 replaces the award-winning MA9000 and adds additional performance enhancements to an already outstanding stereo-integrated amplifier. Filter capacity in the MA9500 has been doubled compared to the MA9000, which has produced a significant increase in dynamic headroom from 1.8 dB to 2.8 dB, giving the MA9500 greater ability to reproduce musical peaks with less distortion. And while the MA9000 featured great low-end bass performance, the MA9500's increased filter capacity will also help deliver even more amazing bass playback and control. While the MA9000 included our DA1 digital audio module, the MA9500 comes standard with the DA2 digital audio module. The DA2 offers 7 digital inputs, 2 coaxial, 2 optical, 1 USB, 1 MCT, and 1 audio-only HDMI audio return channel R1 connection. The DA2 is powered by an audiophile-grade, quad-balanced, 8-channel, 32-bit digital to analog converter DAC that has improvements in both dynamic range and total harmonic distortion compared to the DAC in the DAW1. The coax and optical inputs in the DAW2 can decode digital music up to 24-bit, 192 kHz for playback of high-resolution audio. The DA2 has a McIntosh exclusive MCT input that offers a secure DSD connection to any of our MCT series of SACD/CD transports to deliver the best possible sound quality of the high-definition audio found on your SACDs. TVs with a compatible HDMI R output can be connected to the MA9500 to enjoy your TV's sound like never before through your home music system. Popular multi-channel audio formats from Dolby and DTS are supported and will be expertly converted to 2-channel audio for proper playback. The MA9500 remote can control the TV's power and volume when CEC communication is enabled in both the amplifier and the TV. The DA2 also features increased DSD playback support of up to DSD 512 via the USB input. And being a modular design, it's possible to someday replace the DAW2 with a newer digital audio module. The breadth of the analog audio connections is just as impressive as the digital audio connectivity. The MA9500 has 10 analog inputs consisting of 2 balanced inputs, 6 unbalanced inputs, plus 1 moving coil and 1 moving magnet phono input with separate grounding terminals to connect your turntables. Both of the phono inputs feature adjustable loading so you can fine-tune the sound of your vinyl records. All unbalanced analog connectors are made from premium gold-plated solid brass for superior signal handling and grounding. All analog and digital inputs can be given custom names for user-friendly system control and configuration. For further flexibility in setting up your home audio system, the MA9500 includes a balanced and unbalanced output that can send the audio signal to another power amplifier. Upgraded power supply components further reduce noise emissions while also adding more robustness under the most demanding conditions. The MA9500 continues to use powerful control microprocessors for smooth and reliable system operation, as well as some of the latest state-of-the-art audio-grade circuit components to produce the best sound possible.
Our innovative solid cinch speaker binding posts will let you easily but securely attach your speaker cables to prevent them from coming loose and possibly causing a short. The binding posts are gold-plated to prevent corrosion and ensure a quality signal is sent over your speaker cables to your home audio speakers. Other McIntosh features included in the Massachusetts 9500R power guard that continuously monitors input and output signals and can dynamically adjust input levels to ensure maximum output while avoiding harsh sounding distortion and clipping that could damage your speakers. Our fuse-less short-circuit protection technology Sentry monitor that disengages the output stage before the current can exceed safe operating levels and then resets automatically when operating conditions return to normal. McIntosh monogrammed heatsinks that are made from high-quality materials with excellent thermal conductivity and heat dissipation properties. Home theater pass-through that allows for seamless integration into a home theater system. High-drive headphone amplifier with headphone crossfeed director, HXD, which can bring an added dimension to headphone listening. A discrete 8-band tone control that allows for advanced manual analog adjustment of plus or minus 12 decibels in 2 decibels increments of your favorite recordings at frequencies of 25 Hz, 50 Hz, 100 Hz, 200 Hz, 400 Hz, 1 kHz, 2.5 kHz, and 10 kHz.